Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable wire transfer alerts in Ally Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable wire transfer alerts in Ally Bank, start by logging into your Ally Bank account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Ally Bank website. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the Login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Profile or Settings to enter your account preferences. Look for an option labeled Alerts or Notifications. Select the Alerts or Notifications tab to view your alert settings. Find the section related to wire transfer alerts within the Alerts menu. You should see options for different types of alerts. Uncheck the box next to wire transfer alerts to disable them. After making your selection, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. To ensure that the changes took effect, you may want to log out and then log back in. Revisit the Alerts or Notifications section to verify that wire transfer alerts are no longer active. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Bank's customer service for assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully disable wire transfer alerts in Ally Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.